What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download some free music into your iPhone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your app store, and we're going to download this app called File Organizer. Alright, so it's going to be this green one with this piece of paper. I already have it downloaded. So once you have it downloaded, you're gonna come to the app, which I have it right here, this green one. You're gonna press this plus sign for the first time, and it's gonna say Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box, and it's also gonna say Web. You're gonna click on Web. I already clicked on Web. That's why it's not there. Web is up here. You're gonna go to Web. You're gonna go to Google. Right here in the top right corner. Search in YouTube MP3 converter. I usually go with the first one. It's the most recommended. Okay, so once you're here, you're gonna exit out, go home, and you can either go through the YouTube app or your Safari. You're gonna need to go to YouTube, search whatever audio or whatever song you're looking for. I'm gonna go for Bruno Mars, Wake Up in the Sky. So I'll click it. Okay, so we're about to double check the song, make sure it's the correct audio and not something weird. This seems to be fine. This is the song I want. I'm gonna go to share, copy link, go back to your My File Organizer, insert the link there, convert. It'll take a couple seconds. Once it's converted, you're gonna hit the download button. Three link out here is gonna come outside. You're gonna click download. It's gonna give you the option to retitle this. I don't need all this. Press OK, and as you can see in the bottom, your files will have an extra 1 on it. So you're gonna click it, you go to your files, it's downloading, it's new, basically done already. So let's go ahead and click on that.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't.
Alright, so that's how you get free music onto your iPhone. I personally use this so I can get audios for my YouTube videos. All I do is go back and hit this I on the right side of the song that you want, and you click on open in, and I would just click to copy to my iMovie, and I get to pick whichever movie I want to put it on. So hopefully this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like or subscribe button if this helped. You guys have a beautiful day.
I'm singing to you, a one-man show, a human bankroll. She lost lost in the sauce, cause Gucci got the glow. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high.